Overwhelmed? Level up your workflow. We've all been there, right? That mountain of assignments, the looming deadlines, that feeling like you're juggling chainsaws while riding a unicycle on a tightrope over a pit of... You get the picture. Being a student in 2023 is no joke, but what if I told you your phone could be your secret weapon? Not for scrolling, but for conquering that syllabus like a boss. I'm your name, and on this channel we break down the tech that helps you do more, better, faster, no fluff, just the good stuff. And today we're diving deep into the world of iOS productivity, specifically designed for students. We're talking about squeezing every ounce of potential out of your iPhone to help you stay organized, on track, and maybe even get some sleep. So whether you're a seasoned techie or just starting to explore what your phone can really do, stick around. We're about to unlock the ultimate iOS productivity setup that will have you saying, "Bring on the homework." Essential apps, your digital backpack. Alright, let's kick things off with the essentials. The apps that form the foundation of your digital productivity haven. First up, note-taking. Gone are the days of frantically scribbling on the back of a napkin. We're going digital, people. Apps like Notability and GoodNotes are absolute game changers. Think of them as your unlimited digital notebooks. You can handwrite notes with the Apple Pencil, annotate PDFs, record lectures, and even convert your handwriting to text. It's like having a superpower for your notes. But wait, there's more. We can't forget about task management. If you're anything like me, your brain is a constantly swirling vortex of to-dos. That's where apps like Todoist or Things come in. These are your digital taskmasters, helping you wrangle all those assignments, deadlines, and random errands into a beautifully organized list. Trust me, the feeling of checking off a completed task is strangely satisfying. And finally, let's talk about studying smarter, not harder. Apps like Quizlet and Anki leverage spaced repetition to help you learn and retain information more effectively. Imagine acing that next exam because you spent a few minutes each day quizzing yourself on your phone. Yeah, that's the power of these apps. Unleash the power of iOS. It's not just for TikToks. Now let's move beyond apps and tap into the often overlooked powerhouse features baked right into your iPhone. First up, Focus Modes. These are like do not disturb on steroids. You can customize different focus modes for studying, working, or just chilling out. When a focus mode is activated, it silences notifications, changes your home screen, and even lets your contacts know you're in the zone. Next, let's talk about shortcuts. This feature is where the real magic happens. Think of shortcuts as your own personal army of digital assistants, automating repetitive tasks so you don't have to. You can create shortcuts to send automated messages, set reminders, or even order your morning coffee with a single tap. The possibilities are pretty much endless, and once you go shortcuts, you'll never go back. And of course, we can't forget about Siri. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Siri? Really? But hear me out. Siri has come a long way, and it's actually incredibly useful for hands-free productivity. Use it to set reminders, dictate notes, send quick messages, or even control your smart home devices. Don't underestimate the power of voice control. It can be a game changer. Chapter 3. Your setup, your rules, make it personal. Here's the thing about productivity. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. What works for me might not work for you, and that's totally okay. The key is to experiment, find what you like, and make it your own. Start by customizing your focus modes. Decide which apps and people you want to allow notifications from during specific times. Play around with different home screen layouts. Maybe you want a minimalist setup with only essential apps during study sessions, or maybe you prefer a more visually organized home screen with folders and widgets. Don't be afraid to dive into the settings and tweak things to your liking. Adjust your notification settings, create custom vibrations for important contacts, and explore accessibility features that can enhance your productivity even further. Remember, this is your digital workspace. Make it your own. Chapter 4. Putting it all together, your productivity powerhouse. Alright, let's recap. We've covered a ton of ground today, from essential apps to powerful iOS features. Remember those awesome note-taking apps like Notability and GoodNotes? They're about to revolutionize the way you take notes. And don't forget about task management powerhouses like Todoist and Things, your new secret weapons for staying on top of deadlines. Then there's the magic of iOS itself. Focus modes, shortcuts, and yes, even Siri can become your allies in the battle against procrastination. Remember, the key is to experiment and find what works best for you. Customize those focus modes, create some killer shortcuts, and don't be afraid to boss Siri around a little. The tools are all here, and now it's time to put them to work. Take what you've learned today and build the ultimate iOS productivity setup that will help you conquer your studies and achieve your goals. Chapter 5, Time to Level Up. So, there you have it, the ultimate iOS productivity setup for students. Remember, it's not about becoming a robot or working 24/7. It's about working smarter, not harder, so you can have more time for the things you actually enjoy. Take control of your time, eliminate distractions, and unlock your full potential. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button and join the community. We're all about exploring the tech that makes life better, one video at a time. Now go out there and conquer those classes. Outro, stay productive, stay awesome. Listen, we've all been there, staring down a mountain of work, feeling overwhelmed. But remember, you've got this. You have the tools, the technology, and the power to take control of your productivity journey. It's not about being perfect, it's about making progress, one step at a time. So go ahead, experiment with these tips, find what works for you, and build a productivity system that empowers you to achieve your goals. And hey, if you're ready to level up your tech game even further, hit that subscribe button and join our community of productivity enthusiasts. We're in this together!